Hey guys! I hope you're all doing great, and we are back with some fresh updates from the world of smartphones. Let's talk about one of the most talked about launches this season, the Nothing Phone 3. Recently unveiled, it's officially the first true flagship from Nothing since the release of the Phone 2 back in 2023. While it brings a more premium experience, opinions about the device have been mixed. Some users are thrilled by the design and software updates, while others were hoping for higher-end specs, such as the Snapdragon 8 Elite or the Dimensity 9400 Plus chipsets. If you were expecting a Pro, Ultra, or Max version to step up those internals, we've got some news. It's not happening. That's right. Carl Pei, CEO and founder of Nothing, recently posted on X with a collage of all three Nothing Phone 3 models released this year. His caption read, "The 3 Series Familia is complete." That one line says it all. The Phone 3 lineup is done. No Professor, no Ultra. No surprise drop later this year. But let's not forget, Nothing has already spread out its smartphone portfolio across multiple price segments. You've got the CMF Phone 2 Pro at $279 covering the budget crowd. Then there's the Phone 3A and Phone 3A Pro at $379 and $459, offering solid mid-range value. The Phone 3, launching at $799, is Nothing's premium flagship designed to go head-to-head with other high-end Android phones. Now, while the core Phone 3 series is complete, Nothing isn't done for 2025. The company still plans to release the Phone 3A Community Edition later this year. Now that phone won't come with new specs, but it's expected to feature a custom design, unique UI elements, and exclusive accessories created by the winners of the Community Edition project. A cool initiative that gives fans direct input into the product's look and feel. Also, don't rule out the possibility of new color variants for the Nothing Phone 3. Right now, it's only available in black and white, but given past trends, a limited edition drop later this year wouldn't be surprising. As of now, the Phone 3 is listed on Amazon for $799, but that could shift based on regional availability and bundles. So that's the latest scoop on the Nothing Phone 3 series. What are your thoughts? Are you impressed or underwhelmed? Drop your opinions below. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The Tech Chat is over, and I'm out.